In this guide, I'm going to walk you how to fix YouTube not working on Samsung Smart TV step by step. Step 1, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons why YouTube won't load on your Samsung TVs. Here's how to check. Press the home button on your remote and go to Settings, Network, Network Status. If the connection is weak or disconnected, try these fixes. Restart your router, unplug it for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Move your router closer to your TV or use a wired Ethernet connection. Check internet speed. YouTube requires at least 3 to 5 megabytes per second for HD streaming. If your speed is too slow, contact your internet provider. If the internet is working fine, then move on to the next step. Step 2, restart the YouTube app. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Press the return/exit button on your remote to close YouTube completely. Reopen the YouTube app and then see if it works. If the app still won't work, try restarting your Samsung TV by unplugging it for 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. This refreshes the system and can resolve any minor app issues. Step 3, update the YouTube app. An outdated YouTube app may cause errors. Here's how to update YouTube on Samsung TV. Press the home button and go to the App Store. Select YouTube, then click on Update if available. Wait for the update to finish and restart the app. Keeping your apps updated ensures better performance and compatibility with Samsung software. Step 4, clear YouTube app cache and data. Clearing cache data can fix YouTube freezing, buffering, or crashing. In order to do this, press home on your remote and go to Settings, select Apps, YouTube, Storage, click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart your TV and try opening YouTube again. This removes any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Step 5, update Samsung TV software. If your TV's firmware is outdated, YouTube may not work properly. To check for updates, press the home button on your remote and go to Settings and then Support and then Software Update. Click Update now if an update is available. Wait for the update to install and restart your TV. This ensures YouTube and other apps run smoothly on the latest Samsung software. Step 6, reinstall the YouTube app if the issue persists. Uninstalling and reinstalling YouTube can help. Press home, go to Apps, and select YouTube and then click on Delete and Confirm. Restart your TV and then reinstall YouTube from the Samsung App Store and sign back in. This gives you a fresh installation which often fixes persistent errors. Step 7, restart the Smart Hub, which is a last resort. If none of the above fixes work, restarting your Samsung Smart Hub may help. Press the home button on your remote, then go to Settings, Support, Device Care, and then Self-Diagnosis, and then select Reset Smart Hub. You may need to enter your PIN, which is defaulted to 000. Then reinstall YouTube and see if it works. This will reset all your apps so that you can log back into YouTube and all your other streaming services.